And voila. Let's do a few tests. And the sound is coming. Pretty cool. Excellent. Okay, moving this. Moving this. So on this. Cool. Great. So we have this. Let's so it's complaining because online on my PC. Okay. So, no such file or directory. Public media generated. Okay. So one thing I could do is still run my chatbot. Yeah. Oh, you know what? I'm probably I will be super up in the history though. Can I have that in a... What? Can I have this outside? No. Color? I can have different color? Oh, I love that. That's cool. Okay, so now we need to change, but every time I will compile, it will screw up the stuff. Grrr. Did the music stop? Is it? Could it be that is Spotify that's having some trouble? do I have some local music? Can I go offline mode? Now do I have music? I don't. Schnutz. Schnutze bindi bin. Okay, let's try again. Okay, play back. I'm having trouble with Spotify, and I think it's I'm having trouble with the sound, and it could be apparently Spotify. Interesting. Okay. You know what? Let's get started. We'll run the intro and we'll see you on the other side. Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream. Happy Thanksgiving. I wish you a good Black Friday sales shopping season. Session, whatever. Are you on your computer since this morning just like waiting for the best deal to buy whatever? What are you planning to buy? Me? Just in case my wife is listening, I won't mention it. No, it's not true. I don't have anything special though. I'm always looking for a good opportunity. I want to buy a mouse since I'm working a lot at home. I have a flat mouse that I love for traveling, but for a long session, give me 1 second. I have this mouse. It's wonderful for traveling because it's flat. But for a long session at home, I think I want another mouse. So I found a mouse. I'm just hoping it will become special, but I don't think so. But maybe a Christmas present to me from me. So today the plan of the day is, I didn't check, does our chatbot is working? I don't have it in there. Yes, I should. Today we'll be breaking it anyway. Apparently it doesn't work. apparently it's broken. Yeah, apparently it's broken. Today we work on CeeBee, the chatbot. So usually on Friday I'm with Jason, but not today. Today it's only me. It's only Frank. Nobody. My buddy is on holiday because he's US based, so it's vacation for him, and I'm very happy he takes some time for himself. So I start containerizing my chatbot because we are doing work with Node and all those things while I'm working with him, and kind of screw up the chatbot environment. So on the previous stream Wednesday, we containerized it. It was not working. I found the error. I will start by sharing what was the problem, and then, Mr. Fritz, you stuck me that expression in my head. Now it's kind of, I'm done with it. Is it finished downloaded? Okay, let's go offline. Hopefully it's not too loud, the music. Let me know if it's too loud. So the plan of today is to continue that, and I would like to have it host in Docker Hub, so I could just say, you know what, pull the new image, whatever, and every time we push, it update the version in Docker Hub. So that's the plan of today, finishing that, wrapping that, so it's kind of a little bit more structure. Let me share my screen. Let's go here. Oops, I'm not seeing anything. Boom, boom. Let's go, no, let's go full screen. So last time I was trying, let's clear that. Oops, where I am. Clear. So last time when I was trying to create the instance, do I have my tools? My tools are not there. How many times did I mention that? I need to have a script that start everything I want, and another script to kill everything. Okay, so the command here, wow. So all that part here, docker run, blah, 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 that was good. And then I was passing the name of my container. What one? Oh, and after I was passing the -v, and it was always failing because of that. The order is super important. It's all the parameter and then the name of the container you're trying to call. So I just switched back those things yesterday, and now it's working. So even if you follow me on Twitter, I was complaining about that thing, but it was all me. And right now, so the last problem I had was that when I was trying to, you know, the command attention that write text in the screen, well, it was not working because I'm using a custom font. So I think I will remove that font. But I did try this morning, and I still got an error, and that's why I was looking the Docker log here, and I still have like a font config warning, so I should check if I need to pass something specific. And also it's trying to create a file in a folder that doesn't exist, so we'll make sure the folder exists. So that's the plan of right now. That's what I was doing just before you arrive, so welcome. So yeah. So just in case you're interested, chatbot, where is it? Not this screen, this screen. So chatbot is one of my projects. It's available in GitHub. It's here. And yeah. So everything is here. Nope. It's in index.js. Voila, it's here. So fs write file sync. I need to check. It's probably a parameter to pass. Fs mic. Oh, just do the dir. Let's zoom that a little bit. So it's exactly what we want to do, right? Create a directory when I'm writing to a file in Node.js. So I've been thinking, blah, blah, blah. So require this, and now he's trying to write a file just like we do, and it's crashing. So someone say just like use make dir, also accept recursive. So you could do something like that. So we could do something like that. So we could right, and here then put that thing here in it, just like that. So it's creating the directory. If it doesn't exist, if it exists, it will just pass away, but not pass away, but pass through. And if there's an error, we'll throw the error. Otherwise, it's writing the image. That's cool. And now we need text to PNG. Make sure we can't like, what's the configuration? So param font CSS font. Oh, so I still need to pass something. Option font. So let's see a few example. Let's close that. You can pass nothing. Can you? We could put sans serif. That could be better, right? Perfect. So now what we need to do is kill, or I forgot again. I was about to do that. So I need to stop my container. So docker stop, and it's 03f. Excellent. And let's remove. No, it's docker remove 03f. I just understand now how that thing is working. I'm trying a new how do you call that, suggestion, something like that, plugin, and I was trying to tab, but it didn't work. But I think it's a right arrow. So now what I want to do, it's here. I have my console, so I just need to rebuild the thing. Cool. So let's go back in here. Oh, I should have put the RM to remove it when I'm done. It's okay. So that's cool. So now it's working. So let's open localhost in 2001 with the tools. And eventually I will need to fix those things. And now if I do cloud, we have our CeeBee comes up. Hello CeeBee. Now if I do attention, we might need to this is very tiny. We'll need to fix the font though, but it's working. Cool. So before it was that, so we definitely need to pass this. And you know what, while we're at it, let's try it again. I think I need to move it a little bit also. Oh, damn it. Didn't put the command correctly. Yeah, I think it would be better if it was on the side a little bit more. So we need to move it more. I'm assuming this will be, and then I will need to clean up the, oh no, I'm in the container. That's why it's not polluting my, that's awesome. Yay, it's working. Okay. Yeah, but now I think it's an index.html. When I display that, text bubble left, I think we'll go do 6. And maybe here I could do 30. Cool. Yeah, so now we need to kill the Docker, blah blah blah. That's long. Can I do something like, let's try it. See, now we'll try if I go it's everything. That's cool. So I want to do a Docker remove, and then I will be 29, and then I will do a force. Will it stop it and delete it? If I do Docker PSA, cool, excellent. So no need to remove it, just in case. Okay, cool. So now we need to rebuild that thing again and again. Is there anything I need to remove? I don't think so. So let's rebuild it. Cool. So let's rerun this. Excellent. Let's refresh this page. Now let's rerun this very long test. It's not bad. What do you think? It's not bad, right? Whoop. I couldn't play the sound. Interesting. Okay, so what I will be doing, I will be starting this thing. So let's start another prompt. Not a prompt, I want to, PowerShell. I'm pretty sure I did create I have a chat test here. And there I have my secret file. I could run the command in this. We'll let CeeBee run in this thing, and we'll be working on the other one. So here I want to take this command here. I want to make it here. I would like to have a name also. This we'll do a -n and we'll call it stream Twitch chat. Twitch, cannot write. Twitch chat. And it's on port 3000 because that's the real one. Doesn't like -n. So let's try a Docker run help. How do you put the name? I'm pretty sure you can put a name. Oh, you can't? How do you put a name? Just you put the name at the end? Maybe it's just that. So if we do this instead, let's go like this, and I go completely to the end, and we say Twitch chat. Will it work? If I Docker ps. Nope, didn't work. How do you specify the name? Hey, TD, how are you? Welcome. No, the bonjour is not working because the chatbot was not set, but now it is, I think. Is it now? Oh no, because yeah, it's supposed to be running, right? But why it's port 3001? I put 3000. Cool, congrats. Yeah, no, the like I'm playing with the bot today, so it's kind of confusing. But like I'm exposing 3000. So why when I created like 3000 it had 3001. That make no sense. if I say 2001? Oh, because it didn't create then? Ah, probably that, like it closed right away. Let's have a look. If I go back here and I do a docker ps-a, I just assumed it was working. Exit. It didn't work. Ah, there it is. Okay. So let's click that. There's something wrong with my system. I don't know what it is, and it's annoying. So let's do a clear. Why it's not working? It's kind of. Okay, so docker ps. So that's the one that is running is the one I create on the Linux side, so it's not the good one. Okay, so if I do this, but I don't specify anything, will it work? So 7 CE. So 7 CE, it's running right now, right? So if I do cloud, nope. Let's try to do refresh. Let's try again. Yeah, CeeBee is back. If we try, yay! Okay, that's working. If we do, bonjour, hi. Cool. It's working, it's working. I'm in between. I changed my camera angle today and it's bad. I need to be here to be center, but my keyboard is here. You cannot even see my second hand. I need to be here in the very oh, can I make it maybe? If I make it I'm as wide as my camera can go. Cool. So now my container is running. So we should totally start a project, right? So let's do start, and the project is cloud-bot. And I love it. Oh yeah, but now 2 containers are running. So let's docker. I need to stop the other one. Docker ps. Oh, docker ps should give me 2, but the one I want to kill is the 3001. So it's this. So what I want to do is docker remove, and then this, and force, because it's stop and remove. Cool. So now what I would like to do is to do add space. I want to add this, and I want to do and then we want to upload it to Docker Hub, and then I want to have CI CD on GitHub to upload new version. There it is. Cool. So now we could say that to do, it's the number 1 is done, right? The to do done. Functional container, we could say it's okay, right? It's working. We say it's done. So 2. So now I want to upload it to, so let's do to do, then start 3. Yeah, I love it. Cool. One thing I would like to know is how, so docker run name container. Oh, it was, well, I did try that and it didn't like it. When I was doing it here, it says that it didn't recognize the N. Oh yeah, time log. So time, it's wonderful, it's working. And now Jason won't be able to destroy everything. Yeah. Time log. Okay. Docker up. Voila. That's her timestamp. Yeah. So it didn't work when I did try earlier. But I did -n. I don't know. That's fine. Now, what I want to do is upload that to Docker Hub. GitHub action. I'm assuming there's already tutorial. Docker. Create a Docker container action. Push Docker image. That's what I want. Build and push a Docker image. Look like exactly what we want to do, right? Upgrade from V1. You need to log in first using Docker login. So I'm assuming I will be able to put that in the secrets. Docker Hub, it's always hub.docker.com. Should be connected already. I'm not signed in. F Boucher, and I forgot my password. Cool. I'm assuming it's create a repo and stuff like that. V2. This action includes significant update from Docker build X. It works with 3 actions: login, setup build, setup QEMU. That we have created. Also write a TypeScript action to be close possible of GitHub runner. Can I just, if I push my code, you know what, one thing I will do, I need a bio break. So otherwise I will be dancing. I think I drank too much coffee this morning. I'll be back in like, I will try to do faster than 5 minutes. The countdown will say 5 minutes, but I will try to be back as soon as possible. But not trying. I will be back as soon as possible. Okay, do you want to simply push the image? Hello, I'm back. I inspired the dog, so sorry for the extra minutes. Do you want to simply push your image to Docker Hub, or do you want to... Well, I thought, I'm not sure like if I need to have already a Docker registry to be able to push from Docker, from GitHub, building a CI/CD. So that's why maybe I should create that repository, and then like the GitHub action will be able to push it. What I would like is when I'm doing modification, I push stuff over there and it create the new version. Talking about it, I should update my stuff. So containerizing CeeBee, this is done. Let's put it. On VNext. Now what I want to do is so I'm going to do that. Label. Cool. So this is done. So let's merge that thing. Let's push, let's commit. What's the commit? Index and here, and okay, that's cool. Cool, excellent, thank you, T. Docker Hub quick start. Step 1. Okay, create a repository. Excellent. Blah blah blah. Push container from your computer. I don't want to I think I want to do it from GitHub. I would prefer doing it from GitHub. I think there's the way to connect very easily. Say, hey, yeah, here. So I need to create the repository then. Okay, we'll explore that. I would just want to push the code where I was here. So let's push it. Main. It's a git ignore. Let's push it also. Push. Cool. Now what I want to do is take my branch and create a PR. Containerization, is it the word? Is it how you spell that? Containerization. Yeah. Wow, I didn't know typo. Where is everybody when I don't do any typo? Cool. Create this. GitHub. Progress, containerize, perfect. Merge. Merge. Excellent. Delete the branch. Yeah, it's now in. Don't need it anymore. Excellent. So we'll need to add documentation though, because right now it doesn't show everything. So yeah, let's do right away a task so I don't forget about it. Description. Add the newest command. Oh yeah, there's a task instead. Yeah, let's do task. Tasks. So add a task. Add the new. Add the detail about the newest command. Add documentation about the container. Voila! That's pretty cool. Awesome. Label. That will be documentation for this one. And help wanted. Cool. Oh, do I have like a high priority? I should create one like high priority. Super pink. What did I do wrong? Oh. Prioritize, priority. Prioritize. Voila. Now we could add it. Where is it? Prioritize. Yeah, I think it's like that. Cool. Wanna be famous? Yeah. But that's not how it's working, dude. Okay, so now it's chilling. Let's put back the hoodie. So how was your week, Titi? Titi Dampool? Pool? Ampoule? T-Dead? T-Ted Ampoule? How should I call you? How do you want me to call you, Titi? I'm always saying Titi because Ampoule 66 sounds strange, but at the same time, maybe that's a joke that I don't understand. You have unsaved change on your previous card. This one? Keep editing. Update description. Excellent. Okay, cool. Excelente. Okay, so... Oh, not the music. Where were we? Oh yeah. We need to follow those instructions. So create Docker, create a new repository on Docker Hub. Cool. So you know what? Let's dock this page here. Boom. And the other one will be this one. Why did you not? That's strange. That's better. Okay, so we need to create a repository. The name will be CloudBot. Your repository name must contain a combination of an alphanumeric character, may contain a special blah blah blah, and must be lowercase. That's perfect. I totally agree with you. It makes more sense. Description. Let's just use the same description as simple Config.js Twitch chatbot. For Twitch stream. Right? It's public. I want to connect that. Auto build trigger a new build. Yep. Select the organization. What? Connect. But there's no organization. Using one private, but no, on public it's fine. Maybe there's something wrong. Okay, account setting. I will just go in a different window just in case they show private information, like my email, and they did. Link account. I will just refresh my connection. Maybe I did change my password since I think it's strange though that it's not complaining, but you know. Incorrect password. What? Oh yeah, no, not Docker. GitHub. So what it tells you that my password is different on GitHub and Docker. Yeah, that's good. Excellent. So this is done. Security access token, two-factor. Oh, I should totally do that. I have one private repo. Okay. Notification. So let's go back in the profile. Right. Where were we? There it is. Okay. Okay, so what are we working on? We're still working on the Why don't I have the... create repository like before? Oh, repository maybe? Create a repository. There it is. Excellent. Okay, so cloud.bot is the name of our thing, and we should go back again and do it for the xm time. Simple Twitch chatbot. For Twitch stream, build with Config.js. It's good. Connected repository is cloud.bot just here. Build rule. The build rule below specify how to build your repo. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, so I could have like update. Oh yeah, that could be cool. I would like to have two versions, like the official one, master, and maybe I could, like, every time I push in vnext, so I could have like a vnext version or something like that. But right now we could do a match master latest. That's good. So branch, master, tag, Dockerfile. The Dockerfile location. Oh yeah, that's true. So the Dockerfile location is right at the, so I'm assuming that's good, right? But yeah, it's good. Sounds good. So create and build. There's some spike on my C drive. Interesting. So what is happening? Is anything happening? It said create build and we're stuck here. Did we get a notification and I didn't see it? Let's try again. Oh, repository name and namespace already exists. Oh, so it means already created? There it is. Let me join you. Go fast. Whoa. You're really lucky today. It's the second time you land. Yay! So while I have you here, TT, so how will you... Is TT is it okay with you? Would you prefer me calling you something else? Let me know. It's a quiet stream today. So what I don't understand is... Oh, is it building it? No. I don't understand. So automated build. Auto build trigger a new build every time you git push. Oh, because I didn't push anything? So let's trigger it then. But where... So it's on GitHub. Oh, so GitHub is monitoring this stuff. So it's not a GitHub action. Ah, actually, tight down pool. TT. I was saying it in English, that's why I was tight down pool. Okay, so I will say tight down pool then. So do you live in Quebec or France or somewhere in Africa? So now I should have triggered something. I'm French. And again, a spike. Do I have some extension? What are they? Okay. So let's go in repository. I'm from Perignon, south of France. Discover you at Microsoft Ignite the tour in Paris on November. Yep. Cool. Awesome. Oh yeah, so you were at that meetup thing. Oh, cool. Well, I'm glad you yeah, cool. Like you see, I'm still a big user of Gitkraken. Still love them. Oh, I think we had... No, I think it's next week. So still no build. Last build status succeed, but there's 0 build. So I don't understand. Trigger. So it's spinning. Do I need to push something? So it doesn't look like it did anything. If I refresh. Okay, so let's push something. Let's add at least, so upcoming lift. I think you're trying... Yeah. So I think you're doing the opposite of what you're trying to achieve. You want to build and push at a new Docker image. Yeah. Oh, what? Well, like it's because right now the thing is the build is happening on Docker Hub stuff, like, and I want it here. Yeah, I agree with you. So here I should do an action, and now I would have like a Docker. Like publish Docker container, build test push Docker to GitHub package. Build, test, and push Docker image to GitHub package. Is there a search? I think that's the one I want. Where was the Docker? That's the one I want, right? Did I get what you want to do? So I think you're doing it the opposite of what you're trying to achieve. You want to build and push a new Docker image in your GitHub pipeline. What I see in the Docker Hub dashboard is the opposite, running a build in GitHub. No, so what I want is if I push some new code, I want the code to be executed and then upload an image in Docker Hub. And ideally, I would have two versions running in Docker, or like different version of Docker Hub. So I could have two branch based on two branch. So like the vNext is available if people want to try the next feature and the main one. So I think I need to do that here because code is driving the new images. Is it clear? Does it make sense? Set up workflow. Name Docker on. Okay. Why would you prefer GitLab instead of GitHub? Never use GitLab. I know what it like. I know it exists. I know the name, but I never used them. Complete DevOps platform. Oh, but because I did something like that, but in Azure DevOps. But I know now that it's possible to do it in GitHub. So I'm assuming image here, that's my image name. So it will be something like right? I have no test, so I should remove the test part. Run tests. Test. Where do you build? So all that I don't need. Push. Let's cancel this. Let's Ah, excuse me. Sorry. Okay, so let's do just this. We'll push that. Commit the change, push the change. So that should... Oh, I need to pull first. Cool. And now I need to push. So that should trigger the stuff, right? Because I'm pretty sure, like, it's what I want to do is very basic, but I think now they're just like GitHub, Docker Hub is monitoring the stuff and will be triggered, and the build will happen here. Let's publish a Docker image, Docker Hub at GitHub Action. Yep, that's what I want to do. Yep. But I think what I'm doing right now, it should be also working. Hey, Pierre Michael, just subscribe. Thank you. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Auto build, trigger a new build every git push to your repository. Learn more. I thought that would be whatever. Okay. So now let's follow this, because I'm pretty sure that's what I want to do. Hey, what's happening? What's happening? Oh, cool. Thank you a lot, Tête d'Ampoule. That's really appreciate. I'm behind here, but I'm super happy. Oh, I thought CeeBee was showing up. Big thanks. It's very appreciated. Seriously, it's very nice to you. Thank you. Like I thought I had some CeeBee animation here. Cloudbot. I have the thumbs up. Why don't I add more? Oh, it's... Hello? I need to have more command. Well, very appreciated. That's 6 sub this month. It's pretty cool. Very close to have enough to have new emote. Okay, so we don't need this one specifically. I will keep it handy. The one we want to follow now is this one. Or is it Docker Hub? Okay, so close this. Prerequisite, you must have an application. Done. You must have a Docker Hub account with a Docker Hub repository. Done. Your GitHub repository should contain a Docker file. That's also done. Cool. Click on the GitHub action repository. Done. Let's do a time. I predict you make a dun, 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 dun. Yes. And I predict Dota2 attitude, you're right. Cool. So click the new workflow. What? Oh, I feel like I'm missing something here because it's not full size. No, that's not what I want to do. What? I don't have the same thing they have. Is it set up a workflow yourself? I did that many times, but not with Docker. Like this is tiny. There it is. So workflow, it's because they already have one. So choose the workflow template, Docker image, build a Docker image. Yeah, so see, that's the one I want, but it was not there. Publish a Docker container. No spoiler. Like I'm comfortable with GitHub Actions, and I did the auto deployment, you know, from GitHub to Docker Hub, but I did it in that time I used Azure DevOps, but now I want to do it in a GitHub Action. So I semi-learn GitHub Action from the GitHub Advocate on Twitch. Ah, cool. Yeah, I think there is, and I see it in the yeah. Like that's true. That this is too much classic to not be there. The one you saw before was pushing to GitHub pack. Yeah, there's another one. So like that one, that's not what I want to do. Build test Docker image to GitHub. That's not what I want to do. So I'm assuming there's another one, but I wish it was Docker image. Build a Docker image to deploy or push to registry. That's the one I want, right? And my registry is GitHub Docker Hub. Docker image by Docker Action. Build a Docker image to deploy. And I think that's the one here. Build a Docker image to deploy, run, and push to repository. So that's the one I want. That makes sense. Earlier I just assumed, since I didn't see anything, but I wish there was like a search and I could search, right? Yes. So setup workflow. Cool. Excellent. So Docker image, blah blah blah. Push. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Name. Okay. Docker build. File. Docker file. Tag. My image name, date. So assuming now click on the step, change the workflow so it looks like this. So now we could have that side by side. There it is. So that piece, like it's on push or on pull request in main. Keep reading the tutorial. Everything is there. Okay. You know you could use attention if you want. Tête d'ampoule. Yeah, Docker secret. It's cool. So that's cool. So then it created job. Where can I not scroll in this one? Run use this. Can I get a reference to this Medium article? Of course you can. You know what? We'll do better than that. We'll add it to the notes. So it will always be connected to this stream also. There it is. Oops, there it is. Oh, you know what? Yeah, cool. So now it's running on that steps. So GitHub action, cool. Now I need to Docker login. Yeah, here I didn't have that, right? I think it was. You could do this, boom. So you could do this, and you could do like that. Oh my god. Pushed it all wrong. Log out. Name, use, and all that section here should be pushed. Yes, yes. Be careful, the copy paste YAML file, yeah. Yeah, I know. But it's mostly the same as in the article, right? Let's put that thing here, boom. So see, it was, oh no, yeah, Docker login, right? So it was use and action checkout, so we did that, and now it's after name, Docker login, and then there was environment. and run was later. Okay, so let's, you know what? Okay. Use. No, env. Okay, so now what I want to do is use a Docker user right. Let's open in another one. Let's go in the security. Settings. Secrets. New secrets. Docker user, and of course the value you won't see it. Sorry guys. Can I go secrets? Get back. Cool, so now I have my two secret, Docker user, Docker password. So I could use them here. So it will be $, curly curly, secrets, dot, Docker, user, curly brackets, and the key is Docker password tab $, curly bracket, secrets dot Docker password, curly brackets. So now instead of having hard coded there, it go in the secrets and just run it. Did the drop run tête d'ampoule? Yeah. Cool. So I have that. So now I'm doing the run. So I'm done with this. So now it's run. And it's Docker login -u, and then I'm using the this. And minus P, I'm assuming. And using this thing. What else? That's it, right? Docker login up. Yep. Cool. And now it was the build. So docker build, file, docker file, tag. Yes, what? In a second environment variable. What? You have a typo error. Replace the slash with a dot. Oh, thank you. Cool, so now this and now the tag, so that's my image name. So I need to do fboucher slash cloudbot, right? Yep, cool. And now the last one. It's cool though, the IntelliSense, but it's a little bit confusing. So now I want to do another one. So it's an, so see, okay, I have it. So name, and now, oh, there's no dash. I want name. And that one will be Docker push. Right. And I want to run, and it's Docker push, kind of obvious. And now I want the $sign. Why I want $sign? Why are you not using the variable? Oh, because you didn't set the variable. Okay, whatever. So $sign, curly brackets. Oh, you know what? I want this, right? Your Docker Hub repo name. So my Docker Hub repo name was this. Always just cloudbot. No. Yeah, Docker push. Yeah. Oh yeah, so yeah, okay. Oh, in case you have multiple. That's strange. Like sometimes it's using like the good one, the bad one, whatever. Cool. So now we have it. Add your secret. We did that before. We could zoom out now a little bit. Cool. So there it is. We have our stuff. Documentation. I like that. So now, Docker image. Yeah, Docker image is good. Enjoy. Yeah, I think it's good. So start committing. It's good. All right. Hey! Thank you for following. Big thanks CeeBee is thanking you also. Welcome aboard. Shamlimai. Welcome aboard. Super happy to have you behind my cloud. I did start this week to do some shorts on YouTube. Feels so uncomfortable doing that, but I want to show the behind the scene. People see us, Cloud Advocate, or like see me on stage and they think like it's super chill and like, yeah, just like, it's a lot of work when you're alone and working and not sure and building stuff. So that's why I have that stream where I share stuff that I don't know, how I learn, build, be with you. But also I want to show stuff that happen when you try to build things on the for YouTube. Huh. So that's strange. It's funny here. It is. So you could play the game, so you just need to do drop. And if you land, like CeeBee that I show you here, so CeeBee is monitoring the chat, so you can always, it will monitor your statistics, how many times did you try, you land and stuff like that, and apparently I'm landing. It will be happy if you land, of course. Yay! You could do the scores to see the scores, do stats, the command stats to see your stats. You could do attention, so sometime in the zone, if you want to take my attention to something, you do attention and then a message, and CeeBee will make some noise and display your message directly in the screen, so be please PG with that. So I'm surprised that I thought by default it trigger an action. So workflow aren't being run in this repository. Action are currently oh, there's some error. Nicolaj! Hello! How are you, my friend? I heard you you were playing the other day with Jason? Error. Unexpected error occur in this workflow. Please submit the support, blah blah blah. So we don't have any issue, like no clue what's the error is. Maybe I did a typo. That's my kind of things. Oh, I said crash. See? So you know what, let's bring that into okay, so let's add some log. Let's bring the code in Visual Studio. So let's close that. So now in GitHub we'll have our image. So okay, so now let's go see the secrets. If I go in settings, secrets, you know, maybe I did a typo. No, that looks good, right? And now password. That also look good. It looked very legit, right? So on name, okay, cool. On push branch, main because I don't have master. Then jobs, build, and then it was run on Ubuntu latest steps. Wait a second. Yeah, everything look aligned.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Hi.
Hey Patrick, how are you? Steps, so use, action, checkout v2, name, Docker login. Is that sensitive? Like that's just for the logs, right? Environment. So that's good. And Docker user, blah blah blah. Run. I don't need the pipe because I'm doing it to the same line. So Docker login -u-p, and then name, build the Docker image, Docker build dot dash file, Docker file, tag, yeah, that's exactly what I have. And then whoop, come back here. And then name, Docker push, secret Docker. Yeah. So why it's not working? Oops. I'm looking here at if I had any extra or unmatching a space because it's a YAML sounds. Let's since it's a YAML file, we'll do that. So here, and let's push that update. See if it triggers the thing. Maybe I need to disable that thing though, because now they are both trying to do things. Maybe that's the problem. When you start to edit the file in GitHub was suggesting you write things differently. Maybe the tutorial is outdated. Maybe. 10 minutes ago? Oh, I didn't push. Frank, push. Let's try this. Oh, push fail. What? Push fail main. Push fail. Refuse to allow hot app. Create an update workflow without a workflow scope. What? I don't understand that error. I need to take a screenshot. Without a workflow scope. What's a workflow scope? Can I push from here? Push. Yeah. Why didn't it work with Gitkraken? I'll need to dig into that. So let's refresh. So it should be 2 minutes ago. 2 minutes is pretty fast. So workflow aren't being run in this repository. Action are not currently enabled. Actions. Allow all action, disable action, allow local action, allow select action, artifact logs, self-host runner. There are no runner configured for this repository. Allow all action. Any action can be used regardless of who authorized. Yeah, that's fine. What's that thing? Event. Push. I don't understand. Unpush branch main. Is it because of the square bracket? Yeah. There's indeed something. I feel maybe it's because this connection. Maybe I need to disconnect the binding. So let's go in settings. No. Webhook. No. Collaboration. No. Timeline. No. Build. I feel like that's the thing I want. So auto build. Auto test off. So that's up. I feel like that's my problem. Like that thing here, the auto build. So they are fighting each other. If I remove that, there it is. So delete. Cool. So now, if I go in CloudBot, action, enable. Enable action on this repository. Action enable. Okay, so now if I do action, still mention that. So name Docker login and then use, oh, there's a command. You want me to try that? I just feel like build and publish. Let's put that one in. Just want to keep it. And he had some configuration, right? And no, he assumed you had already. Yeah. It's funny how it's still there, but it doesn't show here. Really, really strange. There's something funky here. Okay. New workflow. publish Docker container, build, test, push Docker image to Docker. Nope. Yeah, that's what I want. So now I want Docker. So here is just like, we could run this one just to see if it built, right? So here I could put just like f boucher / cloud but. Just that for now. See if it works. I think I will do that. A file with a name already exists. Why are you running twice? What's happening here? We definitely need to delete the other one. We'll wait after though. So that looks fine. What could be wrong with our stuff here? It looked very... like, so it's the Docker login thing. So this one worked. Yeah, so the image is done.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Hi. Jason, how are you? We will be bulletproof when you will be back on the show. Nicolaj was here earlier, and I'm not sure if he's still here, but he was there a few minutes ago. How are you, my friend? Enjoying your holiday? So cool. So GitHub action. So we need to remove the other one. I think now, like, it's running twice, so we could totally go here, here, and delete that one. How can I delete a file again? Oh, is it? Oh no, garbage here. Delete file. I will trigger again though the whatever. enjoying a sleep day? Cool. I went outside yesterday to take a walk, and it was around freezing temperature. I think it was just like 2 degrees above, but it was a little bit of snow, so I was generating fog. So it was super nice, very kind of cozy, because the fog usually kind of absorbed the sound, I think. So it was just like super quiet. It was very nice. And it was comfortable. So a lot of people were outside walking. So you need to walk always and change street side. Okay. So I want to change that YAML file. So it passed. Okay, cool. So let's go. This file, I want to edit it. So now we want to log in, right? Or do I need to? I'm assuming I need to, right? Docker push. Build and push by Docker. Whoa. Build push action. Build. Builder optional. Build context. Context optional. Path of the okay. Build argument. Label optional. List tags. Tags optional. Hello, target, output. That's not cool. Yeah. I remember trying to not log in when I was pushing in the okay, so Docker login. The thing I don't like is it's hard to align and everything. So I think what I will do is I will use that to grab the snippets, but I will use VS Code to edit the code since we can see everything. So I will pull from here. So open NVIDIA. So we'll code. This version is deleted. So if I check here, now I have my simple, and I will paste that. So it should be aligned there, right? And this, everything else need to be 1 tab extra. That's cool. So now name, and even that, I think it needs to be even 1 more. That's why. Let's close that. Maybe that's. See, it's name, and then everything is aligned with the N, and everything is aligned with the T. So I should do that 1 more time. Yes. Align with the N, align with the T. Cool. I don't know if you heard about a project that C# Fritz is doing. It's called Table, something like that, because it will work with tabs, so it's much easier to read and everything. It's different. Let's have a look. So GitHub. If I can type correctly, GitHub. And the reason why he's pushing that is explaining everything here, but I think it's a really good idea. It will be a lot more easier for people who have like visibility issues and things like that. And honestly, tab, it will be much easier than space to align. So anyway, so have a look over there. It's definitely very, very interesting. project. Okay, so now let's fix that. So Docker login action, okay, server address registry. So my registry is this, right? Oh, server address of Docker registry. If not set, then we will use the default Docker Hub registry. Name, username, used to log against Docker registry. So here I'm using this. Right? And here I'm using this. And I think I will log out from Docker registry at the end of the job. Okay, that's cool. Cool, so I build, then I log in, and now I want to push. So let's go here, let's go in search result. Right here, I'm just typing the search result to get back, but I could zoom a little bit. I just want to make it easier to read for me. And now I want to push. Set up, Docker login, Docker build and push. Let's bring that to the just like everything in one shot, like builder, blah 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 blah. Like what I want to do now is just like it's just that other comment, right? It's just like this. Let's try to see if that one work. All right. Ulan. So IDK Mo, welcome. Thanks for the following. Very appreciated. Very appreciated. Super cool. Cool. So let's have a look if that one is working. So I'll push. I will commit here. There's a lot of new. Mr. Copper, Shirley Dev is in the house. That's why there's so many drops. I was like, what's happening? What's happening, people? Okay, so I have that. So now I need to come here. I could have just done it here. And I need to push. That should trigger a new ping. And by the way, yay! Jason, if you're still here, the current bot is running in a container, just FYI. So it's already working. I'm just trying to build an automation so every time I have a new version, it got pushed automatically in the container on GitHub, on Docker Hub. So voila, by shaking, I job completed. Check warning. Oh yeah, maybe I should have a specific version. Is it JSON proof? Well, it's running in a container. So, no, it will never be JSON proof. That's impossible. We have a version. The tag is ugly though, but we have a version.
Fantastic! Oh, fantastic!
That's cool. But now we'll need to have some README documentation here. That's pretty cool. So now you just need this and you have it. But the tag is awful. I need to have a better tag or something like that. Cool. Voila. That's awesome. This is awesome. So it's working. Very, very happy about that. That's cool. It is. It is. It is tight down pool. I'm very pleased with that. So that's a good stream. So containerize, it's done. In progress, create a GitHub, that's done also. So now update documentation is the one we really need to have to work on. Tight down pool say usually you tag with the commit ID and commit again with the latest and then push on. Yeah, well, my plan is to have, like, I will do that later, but in master, when I push in master, I will create a version. So the version, like, I will be looking for a tag or a version and it will be pushed. And in vnex, I will have that like push automatically, but it will be dev or it will be vnex, something like that. But for now, at least, you know, it's working, so it's there. So that's cool. So now, what I want to do now is try to do a stop. Yay! So we should everybody land. And now I'm using also your so this awesome image. Well, I cannot. It's clear. What? Voila. This awesome background is from Jason. Pretty cool. I will let Tight down pool land, though I don't think you're landing correctly. I mean on the target. What I want to do now is stop. Oh, so we should update the build. So yeah, so to do done 3 and to do done 4, right? It's all done. It's a great show today. And now I want to stop the stream. It should generate a file. So now if I ls here, didn't work. That's strange. Oh yeah, because I'm not running in Linux. I'm running in my environment here. That's why. Okay. So if I do this here, I have my file. Cool. So now if I do code and then 2020, this is the file and this is the show notes. Excellent, with the new followers. So thank you for Shemlai, thank you for Nicolaj for the following, thank you for IDK Mo, and a bunch of results. So the winner of today is Freda, meow meow. Congrats, you're the winner of today with 58. So the game was very hard today. Wow. Though I think you land Tête d'ampoule, I think you land on at the beginning, but the CeeBee was not monitoring. And of course now lurking dev just like 91.
Yay!
It's too late. The bot has stopped monitoring things. And everybody's landing. Okay, let's find someone. Oh, do we have enough people? 15? Yeah, we can raid for 15. So let's go live coders. Or if you have anybody you think it would be cool to raid, let me know. And we'll go raid. I tend to default on the live coders that I'm part of. It's a big team that share a lot of information for streamers and things like that. You can raid for one. I know. Oh, you know what? C# Fritz. I think I never raid C# Fritz, so please stay with me. It would be cool if I can raid C# Fritz. That would be nice. I think I never raid him, so that would be pretty cool. So everybody, big thank you. Have a great weekend. Don't spend all your money with the Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Just have fun, go a little bit outside, and I will see you Monday. I have a super show, very interesting. We'll do some Go and more details on GitHub action with my guest Aaron. So I will see you there. Bye-bye. Boom.